Engine start. Today, we dig for the legends of the deep sand.
The archaeological team is moving out. Destination, the legendary treasure site. Scanning for the optimal dig zone. The maps point right here.
Truck in position, ready for the first load.
The hydraulic power is immense. We are clearing the top layer.
We need to go deeper. The treasure of the ancients doesn't stay near the surface. Feel that resistance? We've hit something solid.
Careful now. We don't want to damage the history buried beneath.
Wait, look at that! Our first discovery! Precision work. This orange crawler is like a surgeon. An ancient relic, untouched for centuries. Secure the artifact. This is just the beginning.
The silver tipper is a perfect vault for our finds.
If there is a pot, there must be a hoard. Back to work. This machine was built for the toughest environments. A grim reminder of those who tried to find this treasure before us.
The Blue Industry is handling the weight like a pro.
Respect the past. This goes to the museum.
Steady hands. One slip and it's dust.
There's more down there. I can feel it in the tracks.
The blue truck is ready. Bring the big prize. Incredible! It's overflowing with riches. Leave no trace. The secret of the sandbox remains safe with us. A long day of digging, but it paid off in gold. Just look at that haul. History and wealth, all in one truck.
Head out. We've got a museum to deliver this to.
The map was right. The legend was real. The team works in perfect harmony.
The blue industrial truck heads for home.
The legend of the sandbox treasure, officially discovered. Over and out.